Assalamu alaikum students. Hope so you all are keeping well. May Allah keep all of us in His aman from the harmful effects of the COVID-19. Students, as in our previous lectures, we have already discussed the rain, summary of the rain, and also the question answers. And we know very well that this is a very short poem written by W.H. Davis, and the poem contains only 2 stanzas, and also that it has a symbolic meaning. In this beautiful poem, the poet clearly expresses his views about the rain and the social discriminations found in our society. But we also know that the poet is an optimist, that he is a positive man and he thinks positively. He is determined that in nearby future, yeah, very soon, there would be equality and peace in our society. So students, page number 57, unit 5, the rain, vocabulary. Give an antonym for each given word and make sentences with both words. We are given here the words rich. The antonym of rich is poor, top, bottom, near, far, light, dark, bright, dull, noise, peace, lovely, ugly. And now this is your home task. By using these words, both of these words, you have to make sentences of your own. Next one, here is denotation and connotation. In our previous lectures, we have already discussed it in detail, that what is denotation and what is connotation. So students, denotation means logvi मायनी, लफ्जी मायनी, असली मायनी. It is the dictionary and literal meaning of a word. ये डिक्शनरी और लफ्ज़ का असली या लुग़वी मायनी होता है. And connotation mean इस्तिलाही मायनी. It is the emotional, ये जज्बाती, contextual, सियाक़ो सबाक़ से मुतल्लिक़, cultural, सकाफ़ती, meaning attached to a word, एक word से मंसूब किया हुआ सकाफ़ती meaning होता है, मायनी होता है. Shades and degrees of meanings मीन्स टू से अल्फाज के या मायनी के डिफरेंट अंदाज और दर्जे बयान किए जाते हैं. हियर वी हैव अ एग्जांपल. होम मीन घर, हाउस मकान, रेजिडेंस रिहाइश, ड्वेलिंग रिहाइशगाह. ऑल दीज वर्ड्स have the same meaning, that a place in which someone lives, and all these show denotation. Next one, connotation. We see that what's the meaning of above given words in connotation. Home is a cozy, आरामदेह, loving, प्यारी, comfortable, आरामदेह, feeling of security, तहफ़्फ़ुज़ के एहसास के साथ एक जगह. हाउस, द एक्चुअल बिल्डिंग, हकीकी या असली इमारत. रेजिडेंस, कोल्ड विदाउट फीलिंग, सर्द या एहसासात के बगैर. ड्वेलिंग, प्रिमिटिव और बेसिक, पुरानी, कदीम या बुनियादी. नेक्स्ट, बी पार्ट. रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस, आंसर द क्वेश्चंस गिवन बिलो. अदील वॉज सरप्राइज्ड, अदील वॉज अमेज्ड, अदील वॉज एस्टोनिश्ड. Surprised mean हैरान, amazed. Amazed means extremely surprised, ज़्यादा हैरान. Astonished mean amazed to a great degree, बहुत ज़्यादा हद तक हैरान होना, और हैरान के साथ साथ a mixture of some fear, डर, खौफ. The question is, what is the general meaning of each of 3 sentences about Adil? Do the words surprised, amazed and astonished have approximately the same denotation? The answer of this question is that the above given words have approximately the same meaning, which we have already described, that surprised mean amazed, थोड़ा हैरान, Adil was amazed. Amazed mean extremely surprised, ज़्यादा हैरान. And astonished mean amazed to a great degree. And now students, on page number 58 we have another question. Use dictionary to find what additional meaning are suggested by astonish. We have already described it, but this is your home task to find out the additional meanings of astonish in dictionary. And the next question is question number 3. Would a person be surprised or astonished at seeing a ghost? एक भूत को देखकर कोई शख्स हैरत ज़दा, शशदर या बहुत ज़्यादा हैरान होगा? Yes, of course, a person would be astonished at seeing a ghost. This is the answer. Next one, which connotation is more positive? कौन सी connotation जो है वो हमें ज़्यादा positive meaning दे रही है? Let's see our statement. Our trip to the Khibra mine was dash, fine or wonderful. Fine mean ठीक and wonderful mean हैरान कुन means ज़्यादा अच्छा. And the right option is B. The word that is giving us more positive connotation is wonderful. Number 2, dash people rode on the roller coaster. And here we are given two options that are brave. Brave mean bahadur, and foolhardy. Foolhardy means ahmakana had tak bahadur. And the right option is brave. Brave people rode on the roller coaster. Next one, we saw dash animals in the zoo. Fascinating, मशहूर कौन, सहर तारी कर देने वाले, सहर ज़दा कर देने वाले. And weird mean अजीबो गरीब. And the word that is giving us more positive connotation is fascinating. We saw fascinating animals in the zoo. Some of the monkeys made dash faces. Hilarious mean तंज पर मबनी, and amusing mean दिल बहलाने वाले, मज़ाहिया, दिल को खुश करने वाले. So here the right option is amusing, that is giving us more positive connotation. Next one, everyone had a dash on his or her face on the way home. Everyone had a dash on his or her face on the way home. Smile or smirk. Students, you know very well smile is a मुस्कुराहट, and smirk बनावटी मुस्कुराहट, and you can say नफरत अंगेज मुस्कुराहट. So according to the sentence, the more positive connotation is giving the word smile. So tick the smile. Next, which connotation is more negative? We bought dash souvenirs at the Khibra mines. Cheap or inexpensive. Cheap means सस्ते, inexpensive mean कम कीमत. So the more negative connotation is giving the word cheap. Tick the cheap. On next page, page number 59, I didn't like the dash on the jester's face. Student, here we are given two options. Smirk, we have already discussed it. बनावटी मुस्कुराहट, नफरत अंगेज मुस्कुराहट. And the second word is grin. Grin mean एक खिलखिलाहट से हंसना, खुले दिल से खिलखिला के हंसना. And the negative connotation, the word which is giving us, that is smirk. So here tick the smirk. It made me feel uneasy, बेचैन, बेसुकून, frightened, खौफज़दा. And here the word frightened is giving us more negative connotation. So tick the frightened. Next we have E part, and in E part we are given some words. Give synonyms for the following words. We have to write the synonyms. Students, synonyms mean हम, मायनी, मुतरादिफ. And at the first we already have studied the antonyms mean opposite, alt. Now we are going to discuss the synonyms meaning हम मायनी अल्फाज. Shine mean glow, bright, वेल लिट, अच्छी तरह से रोशन, खूब रोशन, चमकदार, नॉइस, शोर, क्लैमर, लवली, ब्यूटीफुल, प्यारा।